Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Hyphen-X 4-port GaN 100-watt charger. I'm very excited for 100-watt chargers because they're so compact with this new GaN technology, and it has a flip-out charger prong right there for the wall. Easy for storage right there. You have 4 ports, 2 USB-C ports. You can do 100 watts out of the USB-C ports, and then 30 watts maximum out of the USB-A ports right there. So you get a lot of juice out of this one charger. Here's some features of this charger. And you may not have heard of Hyphen-X before, but they produce a quality charger for your, as you can see, MacBook, your Dell, and all of your iPhone and Android products. You can plug a computer into here, you can plug multiple cell phones and iPads, and literally charge them all at once with this new Hyphen-X 100-watt GaN charger. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.